In this video, we will be going through how to create an IMACD Forms installation. On the portal home page, we can either click on the IMACD Forms tile or click on IMACD Forms from the side menu. We are then required to add in the ticket number we are busy with. The ticket details will then be displayed. If this is the correct details, we'll click on Confirm. We are then required to select the form type we are busy with, in this case, an installation. This will then take us to a wizard. On the intro page, click on Continue. Then we are required to select the CIs that are being installed. To do this, we can click on the search icon to search for the CIs. Then click on Add CIs to add them to the list. Multiple CIs can be added. If a CI cannot be found, we can click on the missing CI to add the CI manually. You are then required to add in a serial number of the CI and a description. Clicking on Next will display the CIs we have added. To continue, we will have to allocate users to a CI or mark them as multi-user. We are then required to select the location of the installation. We can do that by clicking on the search icon and selecting the location. On the Submit page, we will see that all the details are now displayed to us. Before obtaining sign-off, we will have to select a sign-off user. We then acquire the signature and complete the process.